Hello and welcome to a short video from CBS Automotive. This is the Volvo XC90 that we've been working on. So what we've installed is a radio and reversing camera. So this vehicle actually takes quite a bit of effort to actually work on. So what this actually has, it has an amp built into it. So what we've done is bypass that to install a far more modern system. So on the Volvo XC90, we've replaced the dashboard here with a really smart looking Kenwood 7017 DABS. At the same time, we've also retained all the steering wheel controls. So makes it really comfortable for the driver as well to use. One of the main things as well that we've done is integrated a reversing camera. So as soon as you select reverse, as you can see there, a nice clear image, and it obviously just pops back to there. This radio itself gives you features like digital radio, Bluetooth, and one of the main things is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So all you do is physical connection. It also charges your phone. So it's one of our favourite units at the moment. So it's really easy to use. It's nice and affordable as well. Gives you Bluetooth streaming, Spotify integration, and everything there. So what we've done is basically taken a bit of time to do. So we've bypassed the amp. So we've just gone back to a 4-channel system, and we're using a glass mount DAB aerial as well on this particular vehicle. And you've got your microphone at the top there. So that's the little microphone. That's the DAB aerial that comes in the box from the Kenwood device. So for any installation like this, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. It's a really smart looking head unit, and now the vehicle's modernised. We replaced the existing system that was in there, so really transformed the interior of the car, given the vehicle, brought it to the 21st century as such. So thank you very much for watching. Any questions, comment below or give us a call. I'll be putting all the links to the product as well as to our website below as well, just for your reference. So thank you very much, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.